I just bought this cooler last week. If you guys are looking to buy one, I highly recommend this one. It's on sale today for Cyber Monday. There's a smaller one if this one's too big for you guys, but as you can see, I have a lot of food in here and it's not even halfway. This is the freezer section over here. It's got LED lights so you can see in here. Yeah, and then it comes with a car outlet and a wall outlet, so that's pretty cool. It's got touchscreen controls here so you can control both sections. Yeah, guys, highly recommend this brand. The compressor is really quiet too, which is perfect.